Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Databricks with PAT and SSO roles step by step clearly. To authenticate to Databricks using a personal access token or SSO roles, start by navigating to your Databricks workspace login page. Enter your username and password if prompted. Once in the workspace, locate your user profile in the top right corner. Click on your user profile to open the drop-down menu. Select the User Settings option from the menu. In the User Settings page, navigate to the Access Tokens tab. Click on the Generate New Token button. Provide a name for your token to help you identify it later. Set an expiration date for the token based on your needs. Click the Generate button to create the token. Copy the generated token immediately to a secure location. Next, if using SSO roles for authentication, return to the login page. Select the option for single sign-on if available. You will be redirected to your organization's identity provider. Log in with your organizational credentials. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to your Databricks workspace. Verify that you are logged in successfully. If you are using the personal access token, open your preferred tool or terminal. Use the token for authentication by setting it in the HTTP headers of your API requests. When using tools like Postman or curl, include an authorization header. Set the header value to bearer followed by a space and your token. For SSO, ensure your role permissions are set correctly in Databricks. Check your workspace settings to manage user roles and permissions accordingly. Now you are ready to interact with Databricks using your authenticated session. Ensure to monitor your access regularly and renew tokens as needed. That's the process to authenticate to Databricks with a personal access token and SSO roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.